Hello ପିଲାମାନେ, welcome to Smriti tutorial। तो have your English question टा object wise ଆସିଯାଇଛି। ତ ପ୍ରଥମ क्वेश्चन ଟା ଦେଇଛି love can seldom exist without। आंसर कौन होगा तुम बही देखदब। Why did the spectators gather around the old field। तो एटा देखो फास्ट कथा हला एटा सब डिस्ट्रिक्ट वाइज अलग अलग आछी। तो को डिस्ट्रिक्ट कोन आछी एटा केही कहि परिबेनी। तो देखो तो ए भितर किछि आसीबो तो आपन डिस्ट्रिक्ट तुम पढि देबे किछि नै सेटा। Question number 3, the athletes were given single to start the race by dash। Question number 4, what happened to the 100-yard dash in the end। Question number 5, where were the 9 athletes। Question number 5 gala। Question number 6, love without home is offend। Question number 7 कौन हबो, what do the angels lack in the heaven। तापरे क्वेश्चन नंबर 8, if one have both home and love what will he do। तार क्वेश्चन नंबर 9 को जिबा, the poem 9 gold medals is composed by dash। then होची क्वेश्चन नंबर 10, write a single word for feel angry and resentful। तापर क्वेश्चन नंबर 11, what did the young girl inquire about Mr. Gupta from the cashier। next question number 12, Mr. Gupta was asked to face the family because। question number 13, what did Maggie gives Mr. Gupta a shilling। question number 14, when was Janaki affected by polio। question number 15, what does Janaki's maritime express mean। question number 16, how many participants were there in Janaki's maritime express except Janaki। question number 17, why was it decided that Janaki would be a part of relay team। question number 18, when is road safety week observed। question number 19, a car driver should use dash while driving। question number 20, according to WHO most of the hospitalization cases are due to lack of dash। question number 21, you are like the job, write a correct sentence। question number 22, a small piece of food, write a single word of the phrase। question number 23 अछि, he did not do well in the exam but fortunately he dash pass। question number 24, think is a dash verb। question number 25, you need a lot of dash on the subject। question number 26, a beautiful scenery can arrest the mind of the people, find out the pre-modifiers। question number 27, my father has given me permission to go to the picnic, say which time does the statement express। question number 28, can the student meet the headmaster, find out subject। question number 29, dash something has beaten me, fill in the blanks with suitable interjection। question number 30, auxiliary verb are dash kinds। question number 31, honestly is always rewarded, identify the noun। question number 32, Ram, Sam and I dash in the same class। question number 33, my grandfather dash a novel for 2 months। question number 34, did you write the summary, find out the primary auxiliary। question number 35, let's go on a picnic, say what type of sentence it is। question number 36, Suryavanshi formed well at his fast। question number 37, Rajesh leads a life। question number 38, human wants are not limited if we replace the underlined words। question number 39, if we Break the word hospitalization. Question number 40. She sings very beautifully. Change the sentence to exclamatory. Question number 41. The name of Govinda Maharana's wife was. Question number 42. Govinda had kept the image only dash away from the window. Question number 43. The straw skeleton of the image showed its dash through the mud. Question number 44. Govinda's youngest son was dash year old. Question number 45. The light drizzled that came and lasted only for dash minutes. Question number 46. The little boy was running between his father's leg with dash. Question number 47. What kind of shop did the child see first on his way to festival? Question number 48. The balloon seller stood holding a pole with dash. Question number 49. What was the most attractive thing for the child at the fair? Question number 50. In the story, the lost child, the most interesting and attraction for the child was dash. तो वीडियो जब भल लगी लाइक शेयर सब्सक्राइब करूँ यही सब क्वेश्चन गुड़ा आप अवस्था बही थी तो से देखीदे सब डिस्ट्रिक्ट वाइज अलग अलग आसोधे कारण सेम क्वेश्चन आसुनी जो डिस्ट्रिक्ट मैंने आसर केउझर डिस्ट्रिक्ट यहाँ अच्छी तो केउझर डिस्ट्रिक्ट क्वेश्चन पूरा सेम आसो सब स्कूल